Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Jinu from K-Pop Demon Hunters. It's going to be an easy and fun drawing, so come join us. Alright guys, let's get started with drawing Jinu from K-Pop Demon Hunters. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw his jaw. So for his jaw, we're going to come down in the middle of the paper, all the way in the middle, and this is half, so we're going to do a little bit lower than half. I'm going to make a little point, and we're going to make two diagonal lines that kind of look like the letter V. It's just wider. From here, we're going to do the side of his face, and for the side of his face, we're going to come up with two diagonal lines. And this is a small diagonal line. It's not really big. And what I mean by it not being big, it's not like a big diagonal line, like it goes all the way to the side. It just goes to the side a little bit. And I'm going to do the same thing on the left. And I stop practically or almost at the same height. So here we have the jaw and the side of his face. And then from here, we're gonna continue with his hair because the rest of his head is covered from his hair. So what I'm gonna do is, if this is the middle, I'm gonna make a little horizontal line that goes to the right. And then a longer one connected that goes to the left. So here we just have a horizontal line. And then from here, we could make his hair or his bangs. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a curve that goes to a point, and I'm gonna copy that same curve going up. So from this little point, I'll make like a little triangle and I make a curve that goes up, and then we could do the rest of his hair. So the rest of his hair is like curved and wavy. So from on this piece of his hair, I'm just gonna make a curve that kind of looks like the letter U, and then it goes straight, or it kind of looks like a hook. That's part of his hair. And then we could do the left side of his hair, and all we're doing on the left side is a curve that goes out. This curve kind of looks like a slide or like the letter J. So there we have most of his hair. What we could do is I'm gonna make the outline that connects to these 2 points. And because it's black, we really won't tell, but I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna make a curve as if I was making a circle, and I'm gonna go wide. Curve kind of looks like a circle or a rainbow, but that's pretty much his head. Actually, let's do the details of his face, then we can finish his hair. For the details of his face, we're gonna start with his eyes, and his eyes are gonna be pretty cool. So if this is the middle of the paper, I'm gonna come over a little bit. I'm gonna leave a little space in the middle of the paper, and I'm gonna make a horizontal line. And I'm gonna leave that little space, like I said, and I'm gonna do a horizontal line to the left. These are the bottom of his eyes. For the top of his eyes, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a diagonal line that goes to the right for his right eye, and one that goes to the left for his left eye. Then from the other point of the horizontal line, we're gonna make another diagonal line that goes. And then to finish the eyes, we're just gonna make one horizontal line to close off the 2 points. And all I did was make it a little longer at the end. That's closer to the side of his face, and I'm gonna do the same to the left. So there we have his eyes. Let's do the details of his eyes. So for the details of his eyes, we're gonna make 2 curves that if we see the full thing, it would look like a circle. As if I was gonna make a circle, but the rest is at the bottom and the rest is at the top. And then for his eyeball, we're gonna make a big scoop like the letter U. And then I left a little bit of space on each side for the letter U. And then we'll do the same thing for this eye. And there we have his eyes. Look at, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. So we could do the other little details. So right in between his eyes and right below, we're gonna make his nose. And his nose is gonna look like a tiny rainbow, just like this. Simple for his nose. And for his smile, it's gonna be super simple too, because we're just gonna make a big curve like the letter U for his smile. There we have his smile. There we have most of the details of his face. We could finish with doing his eyebrows. So right above his eyes, we're gonna make an eyebrow, and this eyebrow is behind his hair. So I'm gonna make a little diagonal line, and then I'm gonna continue with a horizontal line on top that goes behind his hair. So we'll stop there. And then I'm gonna make a other horizontal line that's gonna go down just a little bit, just like that. So we made a horizontal line that went down just a little bit. And for the end of the eyebrow, I'm gonna make a diagonal line that touches his hair. There we have that eyebrow. And we're gonna copy the same style for the left eye. So there we have his eyebrows. And there we pretty much have all the details of his face. we can continue and make his ears. So right where we stopped the side of his face, so right where we stopped the diagonal line before we did the rainbow, we'll make a curve as if we're making a circle and connect it to the side of his face. There we have one ear, and we're gonna do the same thing to the left side. And for the details of the ear, we're gonna make this same little half circle, and we're just gonna make it really small. Kind of looks like a rainbow now. And then I'm just gonna make a curve that goes up. Just a small detail. And then we'll do the same thing to the left ear. And there we have his ears. So from his ears, we could do the rest of his hair, because then that's it. And then we're done with his hair. So like I said, guys, all we have to do right now is his hair and his body, and then we're done. And I know you guys are doing a great job. So please like and subscribe, and let's finish up. So if this was the middle of his face, we're gonna come over and we're gonna make a vertical line. So if this was the middle, we came over a little bit and we're just gonna make a vertical line. And that's because his hair or his part is not really in the middle, it's usually on the side. And we're just gonna copy that. So right here, what I'm gonna do is to the right, I'm gonna make a curve like a hill or a mountain that goes back down. And then I'm gonna make another curve that's gonna connect right to his ears. There we have one side of his hair, and then we could do the other side of his hair. We're gonna copy that same style. I'm just gonna move my paper just a little bit, and I'm gonna make a curve like that same hill. And when I'm coming back down, I'm gonna scoop back up and make a curve. There we go, look, we have his hair. Wow. And we could do like a little piece that sticks out. And what I'm gonna do is, same like we did with his little bangs, I'm gonna make a curved line that goes to a point. And I'm gonna make that little triangle that returns back to his hair. And once we color it in, it's black, so we won't really be able to tell like the difference, but it looks cool. Yeah! So we could continue and we could do his body. So we're not gonna do all his body, we're just gonna do his neck and like some of his shirt. So right outside of the letter V, we're not gonna go all the way, just maybe like halfway. I'm gonna make a vertical line, and it's a short one. And I'm gonna copy the same thing on the left. And what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna do a curve to connect the points. So I'm gonna just turn my paper, because sometimes that's easier. There we have his neck. And then from his neck, we could do the rest of his shirt. From this vertical line, I'm gonna make a diagonal line. Stop somewhere there. We're gonna leave space at the bottom. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the left. I'm gonna try to stop at the same point. And then I'm gonna turn my paper one more time, just so it helps me. I'm gonna make a vertical line. So there we have where his shirt's gonna be. And then for the details of his shirt, we could do little things. So what we're gonna do is, coming over just a little bit, I'm gonna make a vertical line that goes up, but it doesn't touch the top. So I'm just gonna stop it there, and I'll do the same thing to the left. And then in the middle of these two lines, or in the middle of everything, so if I come down from his jaw, I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'm gonna make a vertical line that goes up and it's shorter. So that one's a little shorter. Then from this vertical line, we can make a letter V. So I'm gonna make two diagonal lines that go the opposite way. That's nice. Then I'm gonna make his necklace, which is like a curve, like a smiley face. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of space from this curve that we made of his neck. That's his necklace. And then for his shirt, we could just do one curve or horizontal line, whichever is easier. Super. That's the shirt under his other shirt. And guys, I left the last part, or the coolest part, for last. We're gonna do his scars. Yay! We're gonna do some of his scars. And I think it's gonna look super cool once it's colored in, or even now. Yes. We could start with the one on his neck. So from his neck, I also grabbed a smaller marker pen, or whatever you guys have, you guys could use, it's okay. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come from his neck, I left a little space, I'm gonna make a diagonal line. I'm gonna come down with a vertical line from there, and I'm just gonna make another diagonal line like that. For the other side of the scar, we're gonna copy the same lines, just a little shorter. So what I mean by that is, I'm gonna make that diagonal line shorter, little vertical line, and then that same diagonal line go into his neck. There we have one scar, and then we're gonna do some on his face. So for the ones on his face, they're gonna be super cool. And I'm gonna start from his hair. So from his hair, I'm gonna make a curve to a point. So here's that curve. Bring it to a point like this. Then I'm gonna come down with a vertical line. Make a diagonal line. And I'm gonna return with one to his face.
That's so cool.
And then I'm just gonna leave all this as if it was his scar, and then I'll start somewhere here with the curve. I'll make that little vertical line, another diagonal line that went to the right, and I'm gonna return right back to the bottom of his face. There we have another scar. And then we're gonna do one more. So hopefully you guys found those scars easy. And also, you guys don't have to make the same scars I'm making. You can make it all over his face, all over his neck. It's really you guys and your imagination.
Okay.
So I am gonna do one more, and it's gonna go through his eye.
Wow.
And I thought that would be super cool. So what I'm gonna do is right on his eyebrow and right where his eye ended, not where we extended this, I'm gonna make one vertical line that connects to his eyebrow. And I'm gonna make one right next to it as well. And then if we pretend like it passes through his eye, what I'm gonna do is from here, I'm gonna continue, this one continued, and I'm gonna make a scar that goes down. And there we have one through his eye. Look how cool that looks.
Good job.
And there we have Jinu. Look how cool he looks. All we have to do is color him in now. So grab whatever markers, whatever crayons, whatever color pencils, whatever you guys have, and let's get creative. Alright guys, and there we have Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunters. I think he looks so cool.
That's nice.
I did like brown details in his hair just so you could see it pop out more, like, and you could see like the waves in his hair. I did the stripes on his shirt, the pink or like purple undershirt that he has, and then I colored in his scars. And I felt a little creative, so I did some of like the demon part of him in his eye,
Oh.
because this is where his scars are too. And I think it looks super cool. So hopefully you guys had fun doing this. Hopefully you guys found it easy. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. We're also gonna do more K-pop Demon Hunter characters, so it should be super fun, and stay tuned for those videos. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.